Hello students, welcome back to the class. You know what time it is?
It's night time, ma'am.
Yes, in today's class we will be talking about quadrilaterals, right? It's a four-sided closed figure. All the four-sided closed figure comes in the category of quadrilateral. It may be a square, it may be a rectangle, rhombus, parallelogram, trapezium. So we are going to study about all these in this video. Okay, let us start. So, what is a quadrilateral? All the figures made up of four straight lines is called a quadrilateral. A closed figure of four sides. It may be a rectangle. This you know, it's a closed figure of four sides. A, B, C, D. So, rectangle comes in the category of quadrilateral. It may be a square. P, Q, R, S. So, square also comes under quadrilateral. It may be any random shape also. You can think like this. Okay. It is M, N, O, P. Quadrilateral. It may be like this. Okay. Then this. It is also a closed figure of four side. So, all the figures of four side closed figure are termed as quadrilateral, comes under the category of quadrilateral. I am drawing one figure here. This is a four sided closed figure A, B, C, D. As you can see, this is a rectangle. Fine. Now this rectangle with the help of a diagonal can be divided into two triangles. This is triangle 1, upper one. This is triangle 2, lower one. See, I am shading it so that you understand better. Triangle A, B, D. This is one triangle. Triangle D, C, B, back. This is second triangle. So, this rectangle is divided into two triangles. Now, tell me, the sum of three angles in a triangle. I taught you this in the previous video. The sum of three angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degree, right? Now this is one triangle, that means sum of three angles is 180 degree. Now lower one is second triangle, here also sum of three angles is equal to 180 degree. Above triangle 180 degree, lower triangle also sum of angles 180 degree. So 180 plus 180 gives you full quadrilateral ABCD. So sum of two triangles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. So how we can write it as quadrilateral? This is the short form for quadrilateral. Quadrilateral ABCD here is equal to triangle ABD plus triangle BCD. Okay. Now sum of three angles of this first triangle 180 degree plus sum of second triangle is also 180 degree. That means total becomes 360 degree. That means sum of how many total angles are here? A, B, C, D. Sum of four angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degrees. It has been divided into two triangles, one triangle, second triangle. Sum of angles of one triangle 180, sum of angle of second triangle also 180. 180 plus 180 gives us 360 degrees. Okay. Now after knowing what is a quadrilateral, let us do types of quadrilaterals. Okay. So first type of quadrilateral is square. Okay. I am having one shape with me. I am showing it to you. See, you can see here, this is a shape of a square, right? Square has all the four sides equal. Top is bottom, top, bottom, left side, right side. All four sides are having equal measurement. As well as the corner angles. This corner angle. First angle, then here, second angle, here, third angle and fourth angle. All are 90 degree. As well as the top line and bottom line are parallel. If you increase them, they will never meet. Also, the left side and right side are also parallel. If you increase them up or you increase them down, they will never meet. So, these are the properties of a square. Let us write. A square has, I am making a square here, A, B, C, D. A square has 4 equal sides. That means AB line segment equals to BC line segment equals to CD line segment equals to DA line segment. All are equal. I am making equating mark also over it. Now, secondly, all the corner angles are 90 degree. They are perpendicular to each other. So, angle A is equal to angle B equals to angle C equals to angle D, which are equals to 90 degree. Now, further, top line AB is parallel to bottom line DC. I am making arrow for that. Left line segment AD is parallel to right line segment BC. So, third property is line segment AB is parallel to line segment DC and vertical one AD is parallel to BC. So, these are the three properties of a square. Next is rectangle. I am drawing a rectangle here. This is a rectangle. Let us name it A, B, C, D. Here you can observe the top and bottom line are longer than the left and right side. So, top line AB is equal to bottom line DC. Left side AD is equal to right side BC. See, I have changed the mark. That means single mark line is equal to single mark line. Double mark equating line is equal to double mark equating line. Apart from that, all the corner angles are 90 degree. They are falling to each other at perpendicular. Okay, let us write. A rectangle has opposite side equal as well as parallel. Opposite sides equal and parallel. Also, all angles 90 degree. Angle A equals to angle B equals to angle C equals to angle D equals to 90 degree. Sides AB top line is equal to bottom line DC and left side AD is equal to right side BC. Opposite sides are equal as well as opposite sides are parallel. AB is parallel to DC. AD is parallel to BC. I am having one rectangle with me. I am showing it to you. See. Rectangle here. Top side is equal to bottom side. left side equals to right side. If you increase the length of the top and bottom line segment, they will never meet, they are parallel. Same ways, if you increase the sides of the left and right side, the length, then also they will never meet, they are parallel. Apart from that, corner angles, angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D, all four angles are 90° falling on each other, making an angle of 90° perpendicular to each other. Okay. Now our next type of quadrilateral is parallelogram. Okay, this is the quadrilateral now, parallelogram. I am making the figure here. Name it A, B, C, D. See how you have got parallelogram. This was a square, this was a rectangle, right? Now this rectangle, if we twist it, rectangle was this way. Okay, this was the rectangle, the red line one. Now we have increased, extend, इसको हमने खींच लिया. Okay, we have increased it sides, so it becomes a parallelogram. The sides are same, but the angles have got changed. We have twisted it. So side AB is equal to DC, same because it has come out of rectangle. Side AD is equal to side BC, that is also same. But in rectangle, what was that? The angles are 90°, but now angles has been changed. Now they are not 90°. However, the opposite angles are same. Angle A is equal to angle C and angle D equals to angle B. This is parallelogram. It is just a twisted form. Rectangle only, we have twisted. Okay. So it has turned into parallelogram. So what is a parallelogram? A parallelogram is a closed figure of four sides having AB top side equals to bottom side DC. Same ways these two are parallel also. AB is parallel to DC. And when we talk about left and right side, yes, AD is equal to BC and they are parallel also. The difference is now angles are not 90°, they have been twisted, changed. So angle A is equal to angle C, that is there. Angle A will come equal to angle C and angle B will come equal to angle D. These are the properties of a parallelogram. It is a rectangle, special type of rectangle where we have twist its sides. Okay. Now next is ours rhombus. Now what is a rhombus? Rhombus is also another form of a square. This is a square. Now if we twist the square, sides will be tilted. So that will give us a rhombus, tilted sides. I am making this rhombus. Rhombus has come out from square. So yes, all the four sides will be of equal measurement. As square has four sides equal, same ways the rhombus. Now see, earlier square was this. Then when we complete this figure with red line, it gives you a square. Now this square we have twisted. So it turned into a rhombus, A, B, C, D. Square has opposite side equal. Rhombus also has opposite side equal. Square has opposite side parallel. Rhombus also has opposite side parallel. Now difference comes in the square, the angles. Square has all the angles 90°, but rhombus not. Okay. So let us write. In a rhombus, opposite sides are equal and parallel. That means opposite side AB is equal to DC. Same ways side AD is equal to BC. Okay, and they are parallel also. AB side is parallel to DC, AD side is parallel to BC. Symbol of parallel. So this is parallelogram, twisted form of rectangle. This is rhombus, twisted form of square. Now we are going to make our next quadrilateral, trapezium. Okay, now see this shape. Top side, bottom side, left and right. Here you can see the top side AB is smaller than the bottom side DC. But they are parallel. That means the distance between them at each point is equal. So this is trapezium. Trapezium has one pair of parallel side. Okay. So AB is parallel to DC. If this shape comes to you like this, two parallel side, one small, one greater, and other sides are joined. Orientation does not matter, whether it is sleeping, vertical or the flipped one or at the other angle, it will remain trapezium only, A, B, C, D. Direction does not change the quadrilateral, it is also trapezium. Here side AD, longer side is parallel to the shorter side BC. So trapezium is a closed figure, is a quadrilateral where the shorter side and the longer side, one pair of side is parallel. Let us write. A trapezium has one pair of parallel sides. That is, here shorter one AB is parallel to longer one DC. I am changing the labeling here also so that you don't get confused. AB and DC. Okay. So this is a parallelogram. So this is a trapezium. Now after getting the knowledge of how all the quadrilaterals work, let us have a quiz in the form of a fill in the blanks. Okay. Join me to answer these questions. A square has dash equal. A square has its four sides equal, four angles equal. You can write answer accordingly. Four sides, comma, angles equal. Okay. A rectangle has dash equal. Rectangle has opposite sides equal. Okay. Opposite sides equal. Next question. A square has all angles of. What is the measurement of all the angles of a square? 90 degree. Sum of four angles of a quadrilateral. Today we did. All the four angles of a quadrilateral, sum is 360 degree. A parallelogram has dash angles equal. Parallelogram, opposite angles equal. A rhombus has all sides. Rhombus is a twisted form of square. Square has all four sides equal. Rhombus also has all four sides equal. Next question. A quadrilateral with one pair of opposite side parallel. Tell me, a quadrilateral having only one pair of opposite side parallel is called trapezium. Next question. Which polygon has least number of line segments? Least means minimum. Least number of line segments. Square has 4 line segments. Pentagon is made up of 5 sides. Triangle is made up of 3 sides. So yes, triangle is having least number of line segment. It's a polygon made up of 3 sides. So children, these are the 8 questions. So you may consider that this quiz is of 8 marks. This is your self-assessment, that how much have you learned from this video, okay, about the types of quadrilateral. Thank you. Keep practicing. If you have understood the concept, please ensure to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Math Time. Welcome, ma'am.